Hey friends, it's Jennifer, and today I am showing you my super efficient version of Continental knitting. So when I first got into knitting, I wanted to do it efficiently. I wanted to do it quickly, so this is what I learned. Continental knitters hold the yarn in their left hand, whereas English knitters will hold it in their right hand. Now, I tension just around my pinky finger, and that gives me just enough pressure to tension my yarn. A lot of people really tension with this first finger, and they'll raise it up to tighten things here. This way is a little bit more efficient because I'm going to keep this finger really tight. And as you'll see, I have very little motion. This one is also really good for my shoulders because I can knit with very little shoulder movement. So some people struggle with that. So here we go. I'm going to enter from the front of the stitch. I'm just going to come back here and grab the yarn and sweep it right through. Let's do that again. I'm going to enter from the front, grab that yarn, and sweep it right through. Front, grab, through. So you can imagine it's very small motions, and you can hear my cord hitting on the table here a little bit because I almost always use circular needles. But you can imagine that if I get going here pretty good, it's a very efficient, small motion way to knit. In through the front, grab the yarn, pull it through. Quick, quick, quick. I will link the gorgeous needles and this yarn down below. This yarn's a little bit splitty. Let's do that one more time through. Hook, pull through. Fingers stay very, very close to the needles. Sometimes I push the needle back through. Most of the time I don't. But I can scoot it along my needles a little bit, especially when they're these nice slick metal needles. Now, here's the thing. There's nothing wrong with your style of knitting, whatever that is. So comment below if you have a different knitting style than I do. Tell me whether you're Continental or you're English, or maybe you just make up your own jam, and that's all right too. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.